We'll have Dr. Kusru from Market Super Kings calling. Heads is the call. And it is heads. Congratulations. It's the last league match between Market Super Kings and Gangawati Lions. Market Super Kings have won the toss. So Dr. Kusru.
A deep mid wicket, and it's a boundary coming from Gangawati Lions. पॉइंट की दिशा में खेला गया बेहतरीन शॉट, कोई फील्डर मौजूद नहीं. इस बाउंड्री के साथ होगी शुरुआत. स्कोर बोर्ड पर लग चुके. लॉन्ग ऑन में खेला गया शॉट, क्लेमेंट इसी चल रहा है और अब टेबल टॉपर पर रोजा स्टार्स मौजूद हैं पहले स्थान पर. ये देखिए कि यहां पर अब चर्चे दिखाई देंगे क्योंकि शुरुआत ही दोनों ही टीम्स को ऑल द बेस्ट फ्रॉम केबीएन प्रीमियर लीग T20 सीजन 8, क्योंकि जो जीतेगा उसके पक्ष में चुके थे वो अपनी टीम के लिए और आज मौका मिलेगा. देखिए फाइनल की दिशा में खेला गया शॉट, पीछे फील्डर मौजूद नहीं है, इसी के कारण गेंद हवा में, नीचे फील्डर मौजूद, क्या ये कैच ली जाएगी? जी ओनरशिप में जिसे कह सकता हूं कि वो अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रही थी, लेकिन करना चाहते थे. बाउंड्री लाइन, स्ट्रेट ड्राइव, वन बाउंस टू द बाउंड्री, स्ट्रेट ड्राइव, फील्डर मौजूद है लेकिन रोक नहीं पाएंगे गेंद को. गेंद जाती हुई सीधा सीमा रेखा जरूर डोमिनेट करेगी. लॉन्ग ऑन में फिर से खेला गया शॉट, वन बाउंस टू द फोर, स्टिल ऑन स्ट्राइक. जरूर सोच और चाल करेंगे लेकिन ये गेंद देखिए सीधा जाती हुई स्टैंड्स के बाहर. बैक टू बैक बाउंड्रीज. अब इस 6 रन के साथ, बाउंड्री 6 के साथ स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 48 रन. फुल टॉस गेंद, कवर्स में खेला गया स्ट्रॉन्ग पंच, बाउंड्री मिल प्रीतेश इंगले. स्ट्रेट ड्राइव, यहां पर शॉट यहां बल्लेबाजों को रोक कर रखे लेकिन नहीं. ये देखिए बैकफुट पंच किया गया, गेंद सीधा बाउंड्री लाइन के बाहर, बाउंड्री 6 के साथ.
Goes for the slog sweep, gets all of it. 6 runs to Mohammad Kaif. That's good to see as well. He got the match.
भाई सामने क्यों दे रहा है?
Back to back maximum. Mohammad Kaif. What a big strike that is. And he holds the pose for the cameras as well. 100 comes up. Straight down the ground. Does he get all of it? Yes, he does. 6 more from rewarding the big hits. Oh, that's even longer. That's right out of the middle. From the last 2 games. Cut away. Does he find the gap? Fielder in the deep. Lets that go away as well. Slash more in one of them. Oh, that's up in there. This should be taken. Good delivery. Again, oh, he's opened the face of the bat. Lovely shot that from that he contains. He also. Oh, what a shot! Take that, says Mohammad Kaif. That's a tennis ball shot that you. Oh, another one. He's taken Madhav Bajaj on. I believe that's the judge. Oh, that's played up straight to the fielder. He takes it well. Yeah, take that, says Aditya Mani. Off the outside edge, gets 4 more. Thick outside edge. Oh, once again he was shuffling across. What's happening? That's the second time it's gone past the keeper in the last 5 overs. Oh, that's off the edge. It'll be a no ball. It's a maximum as well. Cricket season. Oh, inside edge is it? Gets a 4. Yeah, but it's the slower Ajay Gowda to Aditya Mani. Oh, that's high up in the air. It's gone a long way. That's his fourth maximum. Sends it up like a rocket. One other one over extra cover. Couple of bounces and it reaches the field. Quick fire knock. Oh, that's gone a long way up in the air. Fielder. And it's gone for one more delivery remaining. Second innings is gonna, like he mentioned, down the leg side. Kaif gets a glove to it, but it's not enough to stop the. Cuts it away in the gap. Fetches for Vijay Raj with a brilliant bounce. Once again brings out the sweep. This time Finer picks four. He's shuffling across. Yep. They realized that Anurag Bajpayee is targeting. Oh, big strike straight down the ground this time. Runs signaled. Yeah. Cut away in the gap. Fetches for more. Sheetal Kumar here in match. Love to see. Brings out the sweep again. Given out against Vijay Raj now. It's a straight diving row and doesn't get there on. Oh, underage. Runs away to another boundary. Runs leaking here. Over covers. That, yeah, is that a box in? Oh, straight away. Taken over long on. 6 runs. Yeah, it's oh, cut away hard. The short ball outside the off stump. Vijay Raj standing tall. Big strike, Lakshmikant. That's what he can do. Expensive in today's flighted delivery. There's a Vijay Raj. Oh, 6 runs. They needed a loose delivery. Lakshmikant mid wicket. Oh, that's off the outside edge. Streaky boundary. The market. Short ball straight down the ground. One bounce to the side screens. Getting a move on here, ladies and gentlemen. Now the Market Super Kings. Good one for the Super Kings. Oh, big strike. 6 more. Super 103 for 1. Big opportunity this. Taken. Will be Saurav Mathur. Good catch there from Sachin K. Rathod. Oh, straight down the ground. The fielders inside the 30-yard. No chance for them. 50. Saurav Mathur rocking up. Cover. Vijay Raj's crew, but he still hit a boundary. Oh, cheeky from Mathur. Yeah, this is bad. You wanted him to go. Real brilliant guy. That's why he is. Picks up the short ball. 6 runs. Wow. Goes for the short ball once again. That's played towards the deep mid-wicket region. That goes to the boundary as well. When you go, that's what you get. Oh, does he get all of it? Yes, he does. Saurav Mathur. Are they got Kings? Yeah, that's in the gap. They'll race away to the boundary. Between his legs, that short played. Goes through the cover region. Gets 4. It's so hard. Favor of the team in blue, and that'll just make it more easier. And region picks up 4 more. In center. Over extra cover. Make that 4 more. Off stump. Full toss. Given the whacking. Has gone a long. Sachin K. Rathod bowling to Vijay Raj now. He gets a maximum, is it? Yeah. Driven through the cover regions once again. Yeah, because Sachin K. Rathod 3 runs to get. That's the century right there. 8th century, and has gone for the boundary ropes.
All right, welcome to the post-match presentation of match number 30, the last league game of the KBN Premier League Season 8. It was Gangawati Lions versus Market Super Kings. A must-win for Super Kings to get into the playoffs, and they did it. They are in number 4 now. The Player of the Match award, he'll collect a check of 2,500 from the KBNPL committee. Undoubtedly, to the opener, Vijay Raj from the Market Super Kings.